Hello and welcome to Niharika. If your baby struggles to fall asleep or wakes up frequently at night, baby massage can be a gentle and natural way to help. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to massage your baby safely for better sleep, relaxation, and bonding. Baby massage helps calm the nervous system, improves blood circulation, aids digestion, and releases feel-good hormones that promote deeper and longer sleep. The best time for a sleep massage is after a warm bath or before bedtime, when your baby is already calm and relaxed. Start by choosing a quiet, warm room with soft lighting. Place your baby on a soft towel or bed. Make sure your hands are warm and clean. Use a baby-safe oil like coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, unless advised otherwise by your pediatrician. Begin with gentle strokes on the legs. Hold your baby's ankle softly and glide your hand from thigh to ankle using slow, rhythmic movements. Repeat this several times on both legs. This helps release tension and prepares your baby's body for rest. Next, move to the tummy. Using your fingertips, massage in gentle clockwise circles around the belly. This not only relaxes your baby but also helps with gas and digestion, which can disturb sleep. Now massage the chest. Place both hands flat in the center of the chest and gently move them outward in a heart-shaped motion. Keep your pressure very light and soothing. For the arms, gently stroke from shoulder to wrist, just like you did with the legs. You can softly squeeze and release to help relax the muscles. The face massage is especially calming. Use your thumbs to gently stroke from the center of the forehead outward. Massage around the eyebrows, cheeks, and jaw with very gentle movements. Finally, turn your baby onto their tummy and gently stroke down the back from neck to waist. Avoid pressing on the spine. These slow movements signal your baby's body that it's time to sleep. Throughout the massage, maintain eye contact, speak softly, or hum a lullaby. Always follow your baby's cues. If your baby seems uncomfortable, stop and try again later. Regular baby massage creates a bedtime routine that helps your baby feel safe, relaxed, and ready for restful sleep. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Niharika for more baby care tips. Sweet dreams to you and your little one.